Hey guys, so this is probably one of the roughest trading days I have ever had. Uh, Trading for this long, almost 10 years, and still making some really bad errors, getting on tilt, and just trading, throwing shares out there. It was just really, really bad today. So let's look at the trades. You can see this is today, December 13th. This is a trader view. My gross P&L was 428, net P&L 425. Um, the highest day I've had since I started with this new plan by far, but I just didn't go about it the right day. Overtraded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks. I think 7 or 8 trades, and it just isn't how I was supposed to trade. So let's look at the trades. So let's do December 13th, filter. Alright, worst to first as always. This one is Guild. Guild, you can see the entries and exits right there. And Guild, right here, beginning of the day, not too much of a bunch. Everything sort of moved down at the end of the day yesterday, so I had this little sort of like a flag moving up here, came down, very small retracement. I took it initially with this green bar ignored. That failed, had to sell it out, came right back down, took it under there, just didn't go far enough, so had to stop that one. So that was a $100 loss. Alright, so the next one is Square. Square is one of my high flyers, so I only took 200 shares of that one. So total shares traded is 400, but minus 82 bucks on that one. And Square, I was late on, number one. Had a similar pattern to the Guild, came all the way down. I wanted to bid up or offer in this area, but I got looking at something else really nice right into this pattern. I wanted to take it after the new bar low. I was late, significantly late, so stopped out on that one and didn't give it a second try, so that's an error on Guild, on Square. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Microsoft. Microsoft minus 30 bucks for the day, another high flyer in my books, so took only 200 shares of that one. Bid on the way, offered on the way up right into the 200, which looked like a good play at the time, but was not. A little too early on that one. Ended up coming all the way up to this range before reversing, so missed that one. So early for all these stocks, early, and then things started going in my favor through JPM out there. JPM out at break even, another high flyer, so only 200 shares, but not a good setup. All the way down, ran all the way down, one bar and then a tail, and I decided, oh yeah, that's enough, let me short here when it's all the way down to here into this area. Look at this, that's ridiculous. So that's a bad one. And they get a little better. Apple, another high flyer, so only took 200 shares, plus 291 on this one. I took this one as right here, you see this pattern from Microsoft, came all the way up here, red bar, topping tail, shorted the bottom of the topping tail. That's better. Barely survived this because I think it was like 1 penny from my stop, and then just monstered all the way down, covered it basically at the low. So that was nice, at the low of the move. So that was nice. So that was Apple. And then the last one is MU, which I had a loss on initially, I believe. A lot of trades here. A lot of trades here. Oh, I accidentally covered. So this is all one trade. So came down, moved up, bear 180, beautiful, missed it. missed it. Came all the way down. I bid on the way up, bid with a low of the bar, or shorted on the way up, shorted with a low of the bar, shorted with another low of the bar, shorted with another low of the bar, then had to stop out. And then I re-entered here, and kept coming down and covered it all at the low of the move. I mean, a little bit of luck with that one, but low of the move. So with all that mess, this is not a bad trade, just early. I was just early today. Early. So plus 352. Biggest grossing trade I've had since September 3rd. So that's the end of that. Those are the trades of the day. Just messy. Just throwing trades out there. Ended up being my most profitable day. Let me show you this. So since the beginning of doing this, you can see I think this is a histogram, bar chart, whatever this is. You see all the losses. Let's do like this, all of it. And look at the loss bars. Loss. And then right here is when I changed. And here it goes. And then this is today, but just so messy. So see if we can do better. I don't think I'm trading tomorrow, going out of town this weekend, so we'll see if I get to trade tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks.